Hello friends, Noah here and welcome to this 12th Kiluba tutorial. Today we are going to talk about the verb to have in Kiluba. Let's get started. To have in Kiluba means kujine, and to say I have we say ndine. To say you have we say ujine. To say he has we say ujine. To say we have we say tujine. To say you have, we say mujine. To say they have, we say bajine. We are going to review one more time. Ndine means I have. Ujine, you have. Ujine, he has. Tujine, we have. Mujine, you have. Bajine, they have. Let's get into some examples. For example, to say I have a book, we say ndine di buku. To say you have money, we say ujine lupeto. To say he has money, we say ujine lupeto. To say he has a head, we say ujine mutwe. To say we have books, we say tujine mabuku. You have eyes means mujine meso. They have skills bajine tunangu. So let's review one more time. Ndine di buku means I have a book. Ujine lupeto means you have money. Ujine mutwe means he has a head. Tujine mabuku means we have books. Mujine meso means you have eyes. Bajine tunangu means they have skills. Thanks guys, that's it for today, and we are going to come back in the next video with some more Kiluba. Please like and subscribe. You can also check the links below to my other social profile. Thanks for watching. Bye.